Next section, personal disorganization. Introduction to personal disorganization. Man is not born a person at birth. He is an infant, possessing the personality of becoming a person. As a result of variety of experiences and social influence, she or he become a person and come to possess a personality. Terminology: personal, a person; disorganization, ineffectiveness or abnormal. The meaning of personality. The term personality is derived from the Latin word persona, means mask. Through personality only we can measure the disorganization. Can you define personality? A person's pattern of habits, attitudes and traits which determine his adjustment to his environment. Can you define personal disorganization? The individual failed to meet the requirements of the society in which the lives. As a result, he develops personality problems and become disorganized. Approaches to study of personal disorganization. First approach, biological approach. This approach concerning biological factors, mainly genetic and neuroendocrinal factors, cause the personal disorganization. Second, psychological factors concern mental factors including attention, perception, learning, personality, intelligence, etc., which cause to influence personal disorganization. Third approach, sociological approach. This approach concerns social factors such as familial, religious, educational, economical and cultural factors which cause to influence personal disorganization. Determinants of personality or personal disorganization. First determinant, environment. Second, heredity, genetic factors. Third, personality and culture, cultural factors, including material cultural traits and non-material cultural factors such as belief, values, norms, etc. 4. Particular experience. His experience is an important factor which has been influenced personal disorganization. Causes of personal disorganization. First cause, alcoholism, overuse of alcohol. Second, diseases, physical illness, mental illness influence personal disorganization. 3. Drug addiction. 4. Complexity of society. Complex phenomena. 5. The modern society means desires have increased. 6. Rapid changes. Unpredictable changes in the life and society cause personal disorganization. 7. Environment. Unfavorable environments. 8. Heredity, genetic factors. Example, parents may having personal disorganization which transfer to children. 9. Culture. Cultural complexity or maladjustment in culture leads to personal disorganization. Look at this picture. A person become disorganized. If a person not or unable to adjust the everyday life or manage the life which cause disorganizations, including by means of anxiety, worry, fear, stress, will, time management is important, etc. Types of personal disorganization. First type, trauma disorganization, traumatic effect on lives. Second, habitual disorganization, never seem to be able to get organized. Third type, ancestral disorganization due to descent. 4. Social disorganization by means of social factors. 5. Chronic disorganization, difficult to reorganize. 6. Depressed disorganization due to psychological factors. 7. Time disorganization by means of lack of time management. 8. Physical disorganization due to physical factors. 9. Mental disorganization due to mental factors, including cognition, perception, intelligence, etc. Culture and personal disorganization. Every human being in modern culture suffers from inner conflicts. Cultural dynamics can be affect personality. Personal reorganization. Following persons or professionals involve reorganize personality. First, the physiologist study about physical factors including neuroendocrinal, genetic, and try to reorganize the personality. Second, psychiatrist study mental illness and which cause the personal disorganization and try to reorganize the personality. 3. Psychoanalyst has been analyzed mental factors, including personality, intelligence, perception, and try to solve the personal disorganization and reorganize the personality. For sociologists, has been analyzed social factors such as familial, religious, educational, economic, cultural, and try to reorganize the personality. To find cause and remedy in the individuals by means of expertness and professionalism. Personal disorganization and health. Is personal disorganization affect health? Yes, it can be affect physical health, mental health, and social well-being. Role of nurses on reorganized personality. Nurses doing vital role to reorganize personality through first mental health nursing services to study mental factors and mental illness, try to reorganize personality. Second, child health nursing services reorganize child personality. 3. Medical surgical nursing services try to study the physical factors and illness and reorganize the personality through medical services and nursing services. 4. Community health nursing services. The community health nurses visit the families and identify the personality disorganization and try to reorganize the personality disorganization in community setting. Thank you. Have a nice day.